Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. First, make sure you already have Visual Studio Code installed on your computer. You also need a GitHub account because Copilot will connect to it. Now open Visual Studio Code. On the left side, you will see the activity bar. Click on the extensions icon there. It looks like small blocks. In the search bar at the top of the extensions view, type GitHub Copilot. When it appears in the results, click on the install button. This will install GitHub Copilot chat automatically. After installation is complete, you will see a message pop up in the bottom right corner of VSCode. It will ask you to sign in to GitHub. Click on Sign in to GitHub. Your browser will open and take you to a GitHub login or authorization page. Log in if needed, then confirm and allow access for Visual Studio Code. Once you approve it, go back to VSCode. It will automatically connect your account and activate Copilot. To check if it is working, look at the bottom status bar in VSCode. If you see the Copilot icon there, it means everything is set up correctly and ready to use. Thanks for watching.